Good afternoon, children. Hope you all are fine. Today we will continue with this topic which we did in the last week. Okay, that is identification of acid and base using indicator. So last week we have done with litmus paper, and today with some other indicators we will do that. So first of all, the indicator which we are going to use today, that is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein, this is colorless. Its own color is colorless. No color is there for phenolphthalein. Now when we are going to add this in acid and basic medium, basic solution, it will change its color, and by this we can identify whether the solution is acid or base. So here I have taken acid, dilute acid. Here we have used I am using dilute sulfuric acid for acid solution, and for basic solution this will act as our acid. Okay, and base, for base we are using ammonium hydroxide solution, NH4OH solution. Okay, this is. Now what we are going to do, in a test tube I am going to take a small part of this acid solution. Okay, now in this I am going to add the indicator. Few drops of 2-3 drops of this indicator will be enough. So that I am going to add in this acid solution. Now after shaking this, I am showing you the color. See, it's white only, no color change in that sense. So for acid, what we can write? Phenolphthalein. If we add this in acid, it will remain colorless, or no change we will say. No change of the color of the acid. Now we are going to do this with base, with basic solution. So in the same manner, in the same way, I will be taking some basic solution in a test tube. See, this ammonium hydroxide solution I have taken in a test tube, and here again I am going to add few drops of this indicator. Now see the color change. See the color? This is pink or violet color. So in basic solution it will turn to violet or pink. Okay, any one you can write. Maybe violet or pink. See, this is the color. Hope you can understand. This is the color. At first it was colorless before adding the indicator, and after adding indicator the color changes to violet or pink. Now this we have got for phenolphthalein. Next, another indicator we are going to use to identify acid and base, that is for that we are going to use methyl orange. Okay, methyl orange we are going to use. So the indicator which we are using, that is methyl orange. Now by the name only you can understand what will be the original color of the indicator. Orange. Okay. Now this indicator, again in the same manner as we have done with phenolphthalein, in a test tube I will be taking some basic solution. See, ammonium hydroxide I have taken. Now in this, before doing that, let me show you the original color of the indicator. So for that I am taking few drops of it in a test tube. Here only indicator I am taking. See, this is the color of the indicator. This is the color of the indicator, orange. Okay. Now this indicator I am going to add in this basic solution. Now see the color. It is yellow. That means the orange color changes to yellow when we are adding basic solution in it. Okay. So for methyl orange, what changes we have seen? If we add this in base, then the orange color will change to yellow. So this color change we are going to see for basic solution with the indicator methyl orange. Now what about acidic solution? If we add this in acidic solution, so for that we have to take the acid in a test tube. See, in this, here I have taken the indicator. Okay, in this test tube indicator is already there. Now in this, let me add the acid. I am adding the acid in this, and now see the color. See the color, it is rosy pink color. That means methyl orange changes from orange to red or pink when we are adding this in acid solution. Okay, so this was for methyl orange. This change we have seen for methyl orange. When we are going adding methyl orange in basic solution, the orange color of methyl orange changes to orange to yellow, and when we are adding this in acid, methyl orange, when we are adding to acid, then the color of this methyl orange changes to orange to pink or red. Okay, rosy pink we can say. So this is the color. Okay, so this was all I wanted to say about this experiment, that is identification of acid and base using indicator. Okay, so today up to this, next day we are going to do the experiment on identification of acid and base using without using indicator. How without using indicator we can identify the acid and base, that we are going to see now. Okay, and that will be in our next class. So today up to this, till then, take care, have a nice day. Thank you.